This is a lovely vibrant sideboard, not too tall at 79 centimetres, but still shallow, doesn't protrude into the room too much. But my goodness, you're going to get a lot of colour in a room with this. Predominantly it's red on the top and the sides. The original lacquer is distressed, but it's been lovely clear coat on top of it to give it a smooth finish. Now the doors is where the action happens, which are predominantly an orange lacquer, and then around the edge, a bit like an architrave, you've got these lovely sea greens and blues with a little bit of ochre coming through there, as on the other door. And then there's a skirt along the bottom with some pretty carving, giving it a nice finishing detail there, typical Oriental style. Each of the double cupboards, which are separated by a divider, house a removable shelf. There are magnets on the doors which hold them securely closed, and the shelf is removable if you wanted to put baskets or stack taller items inside. So a very vibrant and colourful statement sideboard with a nice touch of the Orient.